Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today will be a room tour. I just woke up and I have to say that we've got a beautiful daylight and it is really great. Over there. I don't have a makeup. I know that it is okay for everyone. Not really for me. I don't really feel confidence without any makeup. I feel like I don't have lips and my eyes, but maybe I look younger. I don't know. Anyway, it's just a quick hello to you, and I would like to show you this beautiful apartment. I am in Świnoujście, so it is like swine mouth, something like this. So like the Avonmouth or any mouth city, this is like the swine mouth. We are very close to the German border. So even you can walk to Germany actually on your feet. Yesterday I came late, but I made about nearly 8 kilometers on my boots. So I would like to show you boots that I take with me. I would like to make a quick haul, and I would like to just visit a few places here in the day, because by the night yesterday it was like very loud, and in the hotels like Hamilton or Hilton or the Radisson Blu, they've got cool parties there. So many people just play around and just have fun. So yeah, let me show you the apartment because it is very stylish and very beautiful. So this is a view from the front door. And I have to say that this apartment, it is really small because it is probably about 30 square meters or maybe 35, something like that. I'm sure that this is below 40. So you've got a bedroom here with the light. And also we've got the living room with the kitchen. I think that someone put a lot of money in. We've got a really nice and cool, you can see in the camera something that I can't see, just this, not really cool, but well. So yeah, it is like you've got very spacious oh my god, what is it? Spacious what? Wardrobes. Here you can put the jackets and everything. The camera isn't fantastic because it is too dark here, so maybe I'm supposed to turn the lights. Lights are a bit funny because this is how you turn the lights on. Then we can move. I don't know if we can move here. Just where is the light? Okay, so very beautiful ceiling. I wanna have something like this too. It is a bit messy because you can find here so much stuff, and as you can see, the baby stuff, what I definitely no need. Umbrella that maybe could be useful, I hope not. A washing machine and everything. So also you can see my boots. I take those 3 pairs of boots, but don't worry, I found so far a nice shops with the leather and the boots too. So I took my 2 jackets and I took something for the gym. I'm not sure if I will get time to go to gym. Yeah, maybe from this side. So we've got beautiful ceiling, by the way, and the lights and everything. It's like every single detail here is like, wow, so beautiful. Now I'm sure, like 100% sure, that I have to change the color of my walls in a few places. So maybe I will show you the my god, my voice. Beautiful luxury bathroom. We've got a bathroom with the nice shower. It is very beautiful. I love the styles. They are so cool, and I really love that. So beautiful, amazing, just really wonderful. So you've got everything there. A few extra things there, just toilet, and really spacious wardrobes, and all things everywhere. Just I forgot this. This is not chest of the, maybe chest of drawer. Anyway, very nice and beautiful. Again, luxury look of the bedroom, but look how bedroom it is small. It is just for the bed and nothing else over there. You can't even go around the bed to the window, but I really love this, but I'm afraid to touch it because I'm sure it's full of dust. Then you've got a funny wardrobe with the curtain, and wardrobe again over there with the big mirror. This is really great if you have wardrobe with the mirror, because you don't have to buy extra mirror like I do. So you've got another mirror over there. Fantastic, really, so much mirrors to take, and the mirror again. Mirrors just makes your rooms like bigger. Not of course bigger because bigger, but it is like you feel like everywhere it is mirror, so the space it is like more, I don't know. It's like, it is in the morning. We've got 8 o'clock and I sleep well, but I can't think about everything. Now the kitchen. Kitchen, it is fantastic. I saw this kitchen on the pictures and I have to say that I just love this. I wanna have the same in mine. So good. So good. Even I can have gray or something, but this looks fantastic. I love that. You've got so much stuff over there too, like, I don't know, just everything. There is a fridge, yeah, which is empty. I've got just milk to my coffee, but I will go eat something later. So a nice, I don't know, in Polish this is wyspa, but it is really great because it is a table and everything you've got here too. So this is like island. Is it the same in English, the island? You can find everything there, really. This is really great. You've got even the dishwasher and everything. So yeah, a coffee, which I need. This is my second one and I still feel I need like 3 more. Prints or something. I love this too. View isn't impressing, just this is the car park. And in the front, the building looks like hospital or something. Medical center, something like that. Doesn't look good for me. Because the windows, they supposed to be bigger, in my opinion, when they building the apartments and flats. And instead of that, as you can see, windows are very small and vertical. Oh my god, yeah. So, but this is here we've got a nice and big window, and this apartment, it is very light, very just sometimes you go in somewhere and it is very dark inside. This one, it is really beautiful. The white floor, it is okay, but look, everything, it is visible on the floor, just even little fluff. I don't know from what it is, but well. And the window, of course, I found my favorite, the Vancouver, which I really love, and I am impressed about Jillian, how many ideas she have, and everything looks great. So, well, another wardrobe there. I will show you how big is this wardrobe. So it is really, really cool. Really great. As you can see, oh my god. Really, really great thing. I wish that in my next place I will get a big wardrobe, and yeah, this is what I have to just film later, the haul. Okay, so I really love the walls. As you can see, everything looks really great, really beautiful, and I really love that. You can see even a little balcony, but with the really great idea of the kind of the sofa or something. Really cool. Just I really hate this yellow color. This color, it is just so bad. So bad. And you are safe because you won't just fall from balcony, because we've got kind of the fishnets over there, and we've got light also. Okay, so as you can see, apartment, it is small but very beautiful, really nice in my opinion. So now it is time to do makeup, change a little, do my hair, and just film something. I hope will be cool. Just will be great.